Hello, Dr. Moroney speaking. In this screencast, I will show you how to do an independent samples t-test. We have some data on the screen, and what we are interested in finding out, or our research question would be, is there a difference in the mean ages of females and males? So the first step in the process for us would be to get separate lists of the males and females, the data, so that we can do some processing. To do that, I'm going to highlight all of the data, and after that I'll sort it. So to do sorting, I'm going to go to Data and click on Sort, and then I'm going to select Gender as the column that I'm sorting on. And now I've got the data sorted. So I can put a column, I can copy some data over. So I'll put males here and females here. And I'll copy the male data, which is down here. Control C, and put the data in here, Control V, and put the female data in here. Control C, Control V. Now, to conduct my test, I need to go to the data analysis column, and I'm going to choose a t-test, and in this case I'm going to choose assuming equal variances. There are several t-test options, and this is one where we have independent samples, and there's another one where we have paired samples, and there's a separate video for the paired samples test. Okay, so we just need to choose OK and fill the form in as usual. So we'll press delete there and choose, we'll just delete out things that are there at the moment, and we'll do the test with a blank screen. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is input a variable range, and it doesn't really matter which set of data we put in first or second for this type of test. And we put in the second set of data, and I've highlighted the labels, so that means I need to click the labels. Alpha is 0.05, it's fairly standard in statistics, a 95% or 5% level of significance, so we're okay there. We'll leave that alone, and what we need to do is put in a location where we want the answer to go. So our answer is going to go there, and we just need to click OK, and we've completed the test. Now we need to know how to interpret the test results, which is the next thing. From our test results here, we've got two statistics that we're interested in. And the first one is this t statistic, which has been calculated. Let me highlight that one. And the bottom one here is also important. Those are the two that we use. Now, the way it works is we will accept the null hypothesis if the absolute value of this t statistic is less than the value of the t critical two-tailed test. So in this case, we can see that 1.35 is less than 2.10. So we have no reason to reject the null hypothesis, and we can say that our data does not support an argument that males are younger than females, even though there is a difference between the means of the two groups. The males, the average age is 20, and the females is 21 and 25. But from our data, that difference could be down to chance, and we can't say with 95% certainty that there is any difference between those two sets of data. Okay, that's all there is to doing a two-sample t-test, and that's how we go ahead with it. I hope that helps you, and if this test is appropriate for your data, then hopefully you'll be able to successfully conduct it. See you next time.